I love putting on makeup, and I have to do it every day for work anyway, but when I come home late at night after a super long day at work, I am exhausted and I don't want to take off my makeup, which leads to excess makeup on my skin, which leads to breakouts and clogged pores and blemishes and dark circles and long-term effects like aged skin. Until I tried Glow&Grow. It's the world's first sonic makeup removal system. It's fast, it's efficient, it gets all my makeup off, and it only takes 90 seconds. Basically, it's a device for makeup removal, facial treatment, and facial cleaning. So it's 3-in-1, and it takes 90 seconds and it leaves my face really clean. This has honestly helped me so much. So no more breakouts, no more clogged pores, no more dark circles. My skin is soft, supple, and better than it's ever been. So by clicking the bottom button, the device will heat up and vibrate. If you just wait a few seconds, you use it to remove your makeup, and the heat will remove it much more efficiently. 90 seconds and your face makeup is, ta-da, gone. So you can also use it to clean your face. So there's 2 types of brushes you can use. This one is silicone, and you can use it for most areas of your face, like your cheeks or your forehead. This one's for the more sensitive areas. It's a rubber brush. It's soft, and you can use it on the more sensitive parts of your skin without damaging it. And the brush can spin, vibrate, or do both, which removes 99.89% of makeup residue, dirt, or dead skin on your face. And it's pressure sensitive, so don't worry about applying it too hard. You can apply toner or essence. With the heat, it'll absorb much quicker. There's also a metal head for cold treatment, and you can close your pores and lock in the moisture in the essence. So before you start the whole process, just leave it here and switch it on to start cooling it off. Then, after you're done with everything, switch the heads, start cooling off your skin. And Glow&Grow is not just for women, guys can use it too.
Oh, hi.
Hey, every Glow&Grow comes with this whole set. Each part of it is essential to your daily facial care. And it comes with a 2-year warranty. Oh, and this mini charging base for those who travel a lot. So just a small Glow&Grow, no more other clunky devices.